Hello food lovers, today we journey to West Africa to create a beloved dish, Ghanaian Plain Jollof Rice. This vibrant and flavorful rice dish is a staple in Ghanaian cuisine and a must-try for anyone who loves a bit of spice. It's simple to make, but the taste is truly unforgettable. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need long grain rice, fresh tomatoes, Scotch bonnet peppers, adjust to your spice preference, onions, ginger, garlic, tomato paste, vegetable oil, salt, and your favorite seasoning cubes. These simple ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. First, wash the tomatoes and Scotch bonnet peppers. Remove the stems from the Scotch bonnet peppers. Now, boil the tomatoes and peppers together until they are soft. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. While the tomatoes and peppers are boiling, finely chop the onions. Heat the oil in a large pot. Add the chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Now, add the tomato paste and fry for a few more minutes. Next, blend the boiled tomatoes and peppers into a smooth puree. Add this puree to the pot with the fried onions. Add water, salt, and seasoning cubes to your taste. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then add the washed rice. Stir well, cover the pot, and reduce the heat. Allow the rice to cook until it has absorbed most of the liquid. Once the rice is almost cooked, you can add a bit more water if needed. Continue to cook until the rice is soft and fluffy. Finally, remove the pot from the heat and let the rice sit for a few minutes before serving. Ghanaian Plain Jollof rice is best served hot. It's delicious on its own, or you can pair it with fried plantains, grilled chicken, or a side of salad. And there you have it, a taste of Ghana in your own kitchen. Enjoy.